That's very polite, Max. Hello. Are you coming into the event? Awesome. We'll see you inside then. Good job, Max. Good job.
Yeah, you are.
Oh, look at this, Max.
Oh, that's why he's that's why his feathers all down.
Hi. Who's this, Max? Who is this?
This is Thumper.
Hi, Thumper.
Say hello. Say hello.
Hello.
No. Can you whistle? Hey. Oh, what a beauty. Hey, Thumper.
So is it Thumper?
He gets so excited when he sees more cockatoos.
What's
So
his name?
I've never seen Thumper before.
No,
Hi,
we just
Thumper.
joined the club.
What did you? Max, come here.
Hi.
I've taken him to Cockatoo Farms. I
Yeah.
know the bird club was there 1 year and I went there with Thumper. But
Yeah.
he goes and has dates with peaches all the time. Oh, you like that
Here.
cockatoo, don't you?
How you doing, Sid? And Tila. Tila, look, Max is here.
Hi, Sheila. Hi. Hello, Max. Hi, sweetie. Hi. Hello.
Here's a kiss. Good kiss.
You're such a sweetie.
Can you whistle? Can you bark? Where's your puppy? Where's
Oh, Max is going to be
Where's
surprised.
your chicken? No chicken. Where's your rooster? Where's your horse? Hey, I've had him 45 years now.
Hi.
Hi. And he actually was wild when I bought him. It just, but
Max is 30. I met him when he was 10.
wow.
Oh, you got a bird for life. He loves you, Brian.
Hi, Max.
They like tall people. Thumper's always go. You always go to the tallest horses.
Max loves men.
Hi.
Wow, look how big you are. You're just huge.
He is. Only one Moluccan at a time, Brian.
Yeah.
Max gets really jealous.
Oh, I know.
Thanks for the call.
Yeah. I happen to share a house with two Moluccans. Now, Max would probably treat it differently being away from home.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
I learned that with Mango. Mango and Max do not like, they don't mind sharing the perch, just not at the same point in time.
Yeah. You're just gorgeous. You're so pretty. Yeah. You're pretty. How? Can you talk? Do you talk too? Not in public? Hello. You're so pretty, you are. Oh, what a beauty.
Yeah, my guy's out of the way last week. It just didn't help. Like, I came home last night. He flew at me 4 times to bite me. One time landed on my glasses. Max, it wasn't nice, Max. He bit me, Max, on the arm.
Did he?
Yeah, it's okay. Not terrible, but yeah. He hasn't bitten me very many times, but
Max, that's not polite with your friend
no,
Brian.
he didn't bite me.
Oh.
No, Tila bit me.
Oh.
Not Max.
I'm thinking Max.
Max didn't bite me. Tila bit me on the arm last night.
On Amazon.
Nav, you don't bite.
When I met him, he could only do 2 things. One was to scream, the other was to bite.
No, yeah, not Max, Tila.
Hi, Max. So sweet.
No favorites.
You seeing friends? Woo.
That's as close as you get. Yeah. You guys talk together? Hello.
Max is just saying, hey, that doesn't look like Mango.
No.
Doesn't look like your brother.
No.
Hi. that's not Tico either. He's so big. That's right. Hi.
Yeah, be careful. I'll just keep an eye out on you.